Today we'll talk about how can you enable incoming calls on your Discord app. So all you have to do in the first, you just go down, click on you down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You just scrolling down here. You click here on notifications here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on get notifications outside of Discord. So then you just waiting to open video like this. Click on notifications here. So then you click here on notification categories. Then you will find here incoming calls. Just click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us. That's mean incoming calls enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you are get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.